So today we have a seemingly complex problem, but if we think about it, it's nothing to be scared of. So let's get into it. So we have a regular polygon that has 12 faces, right? And then we have two horizontal faces. That means that we have top and bottom faces. Note that the question asks us how many ways are there for us to move from this top face here to bottom face, but by a sequence of adjacent faces so that each face is visited at most once, so no more than twice, no more than once, and moves are not permitted from bottom ring to top ring. So that must mean that we can go from here to here to here, but we can't go to here, here, and then up again. So this is not permitted. So how can we represent this thing? Well, I say we have one face. So we have here one face on top, right? This is the top and this is the bottom. And we have one face on bottom, and on the second layer, I mean this layer, we have 5 faces, right? And on the second layer, we have 5 faces as well, right? So what this is essentially asking us is that, we have to go here, and then we can just do whatever we want on this second layer, and then go to the third layer, and then do whatever we want here on the third layer, and then go bottom. And then it's asking how many ways are there. So, okay. So, let's think of from the beginning. On the top face, how many ways can we go there? How many directions can we go there? Obviously 5, because there are 5 faces, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 faces. And then let's say we get here. So how many ways are there for us to move? Well, firstly, we can just stay here. So that's just going to be one way. And then imagine if we go to our right side. Well, I'll have to say anti-clockwise, right? Let's say we go anti-clockwise. How many ways are there? So if we go anti-clockwise here, we will just have to be here, right? 1. If we go to this one, it's going to be 2. And if we go 3 faces, it's going to be 3. If we go 4 faces, it's going to be 4. If we go 5, note that we can't go 5 faces, because that just means we're going back to the same place again. But that's not allowed, because we can only visit each face at most once. So there's gonna be 4 ways for us to move in rightward direction. How about in a leftward direction? Well, same logic. One face, 2 face, 3 face, or 1 more face. 4 faces. So there's gonna be 4 ways. If you're wondering why this is 4 ways only, note that we can, let's say we go here, and then we only have to follow this direction. Why? Because, we can't get back, because, again, at most once, right? So we'll just have to follow this clockwise direction, and the difference is contingent upon the number that we visit on each face. So that's gonna be our second layer, right? We can just stay, or go to rightward direction or leftward direction. And then let's say we finish on our second layer. Let's say, we went here, and then how many ways are there for us to choose to go to to jump from the second layer to third layer? Well, obviously 2. Why? We can go here, or we can go here. For each face, it's going to be 2 directions, so times 2. And then on our third layer, we can do the same thing as just that we did on our second layer. We can just either stay here, or go to rightward direction or go to leftward direction. That's just gonna be this, and then we'll just have to get down to the bottom face. So this is just gonna be 5 times 9 times 2 times 9. And the answer to this problem is gonna be E. This was a problem from AMC 2020-10. Thank you for watching.